So here comes the biggest question. How exactly did I trade gold? Yesterday I had an entry on gold, and obviously this is the entry. So all of this move on my trade entry on gold. Yesterday was Wednesday, so this is my Wednesday entry. Here was Tuesday, and then this is Monday. So how exactly did I make this entry? You observe gold has been pulling to the upside, which obviously show that gold has been in an uptrend scenario. So going by that uptrend, I have price making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So if I mark out my structural point, this will be my higher low. So this in particular is my higher low, and we have this previous high. This particular previous high was here. So what I had was very simple, that I had this higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Have this higher high, I had this higher low. So we had liquidity sitting in this zone. There's a liquidity here, that's the upside liquidity, and here the downside liquidity. So the next thing that happened was that price came down here and break structure. So at this point we had a break of structure here. So this is my BOS. This BOS happened because price took away this low. So immediately I had that BOS, and I had this liquidity. That liquidity was taken there. I have to identify which candle took away that liquidity. So in all of that, I identify all of this and identify that institutional candle. I realize that there is an imbalance. There is this other block here that price is yet to fill. So I mark out that other block, and all of this happened on the throughout that day. So other block. So I was patient for price to fill into this imbalance here. Okay, imbalance, fair value gap, whatever name you prefer to call it. So I have this fair value gap, FVG. So what happened next was that price pulled into it. So price pulled back into that point of interest. So when price got in there, I need an entry confirmation, because I know that a sell trade formation has just arrived. So what entry did I get? I used this particular bearish engulfing candle. So this bearish engulfing candle become my entry confirmation for a sell. So that is what I capitalized on. So I used this bearish engulfing candle, and I was into that sell. So my stop loss was above this high, right? And then here was my entry, and of course my TP, I'm expecting price to take this low, and obviously price did it. So you can see how beautiful it plays out. Very simple and straightforward. So now what are we having? We are now having what? A lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low. So now basically we have new order block. So this is our new order block. So what am I supposed to do? Quickly, I'll mark this order block out. Then I extend it into the future. So at this point, I am expecting price to do what? To move into this zone, to retest here, so I can look for a sell opportunity to sell from there to the downside. So that's exactly what I am looking at. And I believe you have learned something new. Please do not forget to give it a like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications so be the first to get notified when we upload our next video.